Alright folks, next vacuum up, some Dirt Devil Ultra Vision ski. We're going to get the electric motor out of this beast. You see what I got going on here, which is right here. Then I'm going to cut that copper cord off and get the piece of metal that's in the handle, and we'll be done with this beast. Oh yeah! See how easy it is for Scrapper Boy to crack a freaking vacuum. Shouts out to everybody out there who's subscribed. Holy shit ski. You're scrapping up the storm. Yep, scrapping a vacuum right there, ski. Looks like we're gonna have some metal. Some more copper wiring. What you're after is this electric motor. There. It's wound up with the copper. Sometimes it's aluminum. Cut it and see. Gonna have some aluminum on the fan. And copper wire right there. Probably about a pound ski. Oh yeah, scrapping a Dirt Devil.